Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to get live animated wallpapers on your PC for free. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Next, search for Lively Wallpaper. Open the official Microsoft Store link. Now, click Download and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is done, open the downloaded folder. Then, right-click on the file and choose Run as administrator. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, Lively Wallpaper will open automatically. You will see a few default animated wallpapers. To get more animated wallpapers, go back to your browser. Now, search for motion backgrounds. Open the motion background website. Search and select any animated wallpaper you like. Scroll down and choose the 4K download option. Wait for the download to finish. Once done, open the downloaded folder. Now open the Lively Wallpaper app again. Drag the downloaded animated wallpaper into the Lively Wallpaper app. When prompted, click OK. You will now see the uploaded wallpaper in the app. Click on the three-dot menu on the wallpaper. Select Set as Wallpaper. Next, close the Lively Wallpaper app. Now, check your desktop. You can see your PC is using a live animated wallpaper. And that's it. Your PC now has a beautiful live animated wallpaper completely free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.